After hitting one record high after another in previous weeks, the stock market fell sharply this week. The coronavirus rescue bill in the Senate failed to pass. The number of new COVID-19 cases and deaths dropped a bit from previous weeks, but it's still just horrendous. Let me catch you up on the events of the week and give you a way to invest in the booming cryptocurrency markets, even if you're a novice. I'm Jordan Goodman, America's Money Answers man, and this is the Money Answers Week in Review. Stocks corrected from all-time highs as some of the big technology stocks like Apple and Facebook and some of the trendy hot stocks like Tesla and Zoom Video got hit by profit-taking. Investors are also worried that increasing trade tensions between America and China are going to slow worldwide economic growth. Investors were also disappointed when the Senate Republican effort passed a skinny coronavirus rescue bill worth about $300 billion failed. The Democrats want to spend over $2 trillion, and it seems unlikely that both sides are going to find a compromise and pass any kind of rescue bill before Election Day. That means that all the money that has been provided by the CARES Act for small businesses, for the unemployed, and for cities and states is not going to be renewed, and that's one of the reasons why the economy has been so slow lately, and I think that's going to continue. The number of initial jobless claims remained steady at about 884,000. While that's somewhat better than the 1 million we had for several weeks, it's a lot higher than the 200,000 a week we had back before the virus hit. Another sign of economic weakness is that oil prices fell from $42 a barrel to $36 a barrel on less demand and more production by OPEC. There were about 34,000 new cases of COVID-19 a day this week, down from over 60,000 a few weeks ago. There have now been a total of 6.4 million cases in America and over 192,000 deaths. Worldwide, there have been 28 million cases and over 900,000 deaths. Some countries like Brazil and India are seeing a sharp rise in new cases and deaths. Two assets that have soared this year are gold and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has shot up from $4,800 in March to now over $10,300. This is because of the fear that paper currencies are being devalued as the Federal Reserve prints trillions of dollars. If you're a novice and would like to find out more about how to trade in Bitcoin, visit my affiliate eToro, which shows you how to do it with simple charts and tools that are now being used by over 10 million people worldwide. Find out more about how to play the crypto game by clicking on the link in the video description. I want you to have the tools and knowledge you need to navigate these very tricky economic times and improve your personal finances. I'm Jordan Goodman, and this has been the Money Answers Week in Review for the week of September 11th.